Neco, huge congratulations. What a night, what a performance. Can you sum that one up for us?
Yeah, it's a great performance. We came to this game with a game plan, and I think it worked out as good as it can go. I think the only negative from the night was that we conceded, but listen, when we're scoring 4 goals, put you in a good place, and I think it's a good stepping stone for our next game on Tuesday.
You got on the score sheet again tonight, Neco. Talk to us about that free kick. It was quite the free kick, I've got to say.
It wasn't planned or anything, it was just instinct. But yeah, happy to obviously score for my country. It's always a special feeling, even just putting on the shirt, but to score just is the cherry on top. But no, I think overall it was an excellent performance all round. And yeah, like I said, it's a good step in the right direction for the Tuesday game now.
1 down, 1 more to go, Neco. How much are you looking forward to welcoming Poland?
Yeah, listen, we've won our semi-final, we've got a final now on Tuesday, and we don't stop off here now. We've got one huge game to go, and hopefully we put on a good performance to see us through to go to the Euros.
Neco, congratulations. I'll let you go and join up with the team.